Everybody, welcome back to another video. Today, let's see about file handling. So, what is file handling in Python? So, you have to handle the file. You can read the file or write the file on OS through programming. See, suppose you have a text file, you just double clicking on it. It tries to open and you just closing it. You write some data, you read some data from the text file, you know, by human. So the same thing can be achieved by Python. You can read the data as well as write the data and append. There is appending at the end of the file, and you can write or read binary data into a file. So what is the syntax to create a file is you have to create an object. You can declare anything. You can declare any variable here. This will act as a variable equal to open is a keyword, open parenthesis, open parenthesis, then file name. So you have to specify the file name including absolute path, so which path it exits, okay, including your extension of the file. And mode, mode is there are okay, before completing mode you have to close the file after doing your functionality. It may be read or write, whatever mode you open, you have to you must close the file. Okay, otherwise you may receive some kind of error saying other already it is open, some kind of errors. So what are the modes are available no, to perform this action, like read mode, write mode, append mode, write binary, read binary. So totally five types of modes are available in Python. So read mode will open a file and read only. It only reads the data, and this will open a file and it will write the data. If the file is already existed, it will clear those before opening it. Clear those data. After opening it, it will clear the data. If not exist, it will create the file. Okay, whatever file you are providing here, no, it will create the file on disk. This will append the file. What do you mean by append? We have seen append in a list tutorial where it will append at the last of the list. Okay, it is lastly it will append the value. In file also it will append the data at the last. It means end of the file. Beginning of the file will be there and end of the file EOF. So at the end of the file, if you give a mode called EA, it will try to append the data at the end of the file. And also you can do binary operations, like binary data you can write and read in a file. So to perform write read, we there are methods in Python, that is write method, read line method, and read lines method. So what is write method? Write method is normally simple English. You have to write the data onto the file. You can provide your string here. Okay, so it writes onto the machine, means onto the file. So and there is a read. Okay, so what is read here? It reads chunk of data actually. Okay, number of characters from the file, specify number of characters from the field, it will write, sorry, it will read. Okay, if you provide number of numbers here, it will give you specified number of character from the file. Okay, it starts from the beginning. If you omit to give this number, it reads all the content from the file. Okay, and a read line and read lines both does the same thing. It gives me a data, it reads all the data from the data. So main difference is it gives me in string format. This class will be a string and this class will be a list. Only this is the main difference here. This will be in a string format read line, and read lines will be in a list format. Okay, let's quickly jump into our practical section. So here is a file handling. I have already written some test code here. This will be my syntax. F object open. This is my file path, and double is write mode. I am writing hi Sandy, hello you there. Okay. And one more thing I missed here. Okay, if you want any new line to be added on the file while you are writing, you must explicitly write slash n. Okay, slash n, then only it will go to the next line, otherwise it will continue on the same line. Let me explain you guys. Okay, I have opened a file called test.txt in a write mode. I'm writing this data. Let me open this path. Here it is. Okay, it got written saying hello, hi Sandy, hello you there. Okay, okay, there's a spelling okay, hello you there. As I told, if you want, see, if you see this, it's in a single line. Okay, if you want to break the lines, you want a new line. Hi Sandy, hello you there. I want to create like that. So what do I do? I can add slash in you there. Let me see this. Is it done? Yes. Hi Sandy, hello you there. It got into next line. Okay. So now let's read the data and see what happens. Let me comment this. Okay, I'm reading the same file and a read line. As I told, read line will give you string format, string class of data, means string data. Okay, so this will give list data. Okay, so let me execute this alone first. Okay, you got it. Last tutorial we have seen how to find a type of the data. Just try type here. Okay, so you got it. It is a string data. It is a class of string. Okay, let me comment this and go to this and show you the list data. Same data it gives me in a list. You got it. Hi Sandy, hello you there. So this will return all the data from the file in a list format. Okay, so mainly this one. And if you want to append a data, it is very simple. Let me copy this all data here, all the script here. Only I'm changing into append. Suppose I'm saying appending my data to file. Okay, let me do this. Let's see what's happening. Fi. Okay, so in this stage, let me open the file. You got it? Appending my data to the file. So it got appended to the file. This is all about object, and you must close the file. As I told you, you must close the file. Okay, and in no 3.0 Python, earlier in 2 point versions we have to create an object using open. We have in 3 point x Python, we have with to open. There is a keyword called with. Actually, I have written a code here. Let me copy paste it to have a right quick. Okay, with open. Okay, this is a new type of syntax. Okay, both will work. This is a new type in 3.x versions. Okay, so with open remaining all same. At last you should mention your object. Earlier you should mention your object here as a variable f object. Here you have to mention my object, that is variable as will be keyword and f colon. If you put colon, you should know you should leave a indentation, you should leave a space. Okay, I'm saying hi with open, I'm writing a data, and here not required to close the file. Okay, not required to close the file with open. Then let me show you this output. Okay, it got right high with open. Let me see this. Hi with open, it got written. So both does same thing as I have done R&D. Both are same functionality. It tries to execute in the same seconds. There is no difference. The main difference what experts are saying, you have to close here. You have to close the file explicitly. Here implicitly it close. Here not required to close. This is the only difference we have as of now. If you guys have any queries, or no, if you know about apart from this, you can comment below. Let me also know what is the difference between this and this. That's it for this videos. Let us catch up on the next video. If you have any question and suggestion, put down in comment section and subscribe. Share your knowledge with others. Thank you guys.